Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Albrecht Buick GMC in Wakefield, Massachusetts, we have the 2024 GMC Acadia AT4, completely redesigned, featuring a 2.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 328 horsepower, 326 pound-feet of torque. The reason why I'm flying through that is because I just tried to film this whole thing and messed everything up. So, sterling metallic, cloth over Cortec Forest Storm, Super Cruise package, which is pretty cool, panoramic sunroof, luxury package, 15675. Beautiful interior, obviously completely redesigned. And what's weird is I don't know where that 2.5 liter came from. That might be a completely different engine. It's obviously not the 2.7 that is in the Cadillac XT4 and the Silverado, and it's not the 2 liter turbo that was in the previous gen. So it's, I don't know where it came from. I'm sure somebody in the comments will know, because everybody in the YouTube comments knows everything. Do love the red tow hooks. Heated steering wheel, obviously Super Cruise. Heated and cooled seats all through here. Do have auto park assist, which is pretty darn cool. Drive modes selectable on this switch here: normal, sport, off-road, terrain. I'm gonna go back to sport. Gear shift's a little finicky, but you get used to it. Neutral, hold it towards you. Reverse, towards you, up. Drive, towards you, down. Let's go for a drive. Going into this review, everybody on this channel knows I loved the 3.6 liter, so I was very hesitant about the switch to a turbo 4. That concern has pretty much been washed away. This is more horsepower, more torque, and it's just genuinely better suited to this car for 99.999% of applications. Obviously, in performance situations, having the sound of a 3.6 is really the only thing I'm missing. But in terms of torque and driving around, it's just better. There's nothing I can say to convince myself elsewise. It's just better. Super Cruise. I'm gonna turn on adaptive cruise. Now, so now we are on full Super Cruise. We have to get off the highway here, so short little demonstration of it, but you can see it doesn't ping pong back and forth. It's actually pretty nice to use. terms of overall driving, I think for the price point, this is really, really nice. Drives very comfortably, and I'm pretty impressed compared to the previous gen. Why can't I shut?
So I think overall it's a huge step in the right direction for GMC. Previous gen Acadia was just getting old, and I think everybody knew that. So it definitely needed a full, thorough redesign, and that's precisely what they provided. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.